So before I get cleaned up for tonight's event and pack up this video camera, I wanted to show you this little kit that I bring with me. It's an ad mix bag, and it's got some emergency things in it. It's got some essentials in it. It's just something I like to have with me just in case, you know what I mean? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the emergency stuff at the bottom of the kit. I'm going to put some of the stuff that I know I'm going to need on the top of it. So let's get started. I have a spare wireless microphone, and I have the receiver for it as well. It's right here. Put that right there. And I have a power supply for that. I won't need it, but you know, if I don't bring it, I'm going to need it. This is a spare stereo mini to stereo mini, just in case I have to run my computer through the 30Ms for some reason if the mixer fails. Not going to need it, but just in case. And I also have another one in here, by the way. Let's see here. This is a spare quarter to quarter inch cable. Forgive my winding skills. One-handed. Give me a break. Here's a spare XLR cable. Always handy to have. Plenty of batteries. I've got fresh batteries in the wireless mic that's in my rack, but here are some spares just in case. This is all just in case stuff. Okay, now I'm going to start loading more essential things. First thing I want to show you, this is the face mask that I'm going to be wearing at the event, just so you can see what that's going to look like on me. I might have it on upside down, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll be DJing looking like this tonight. Okay, so this is my main face mask, but just in case I lose it or something, I have this cool backup face mask that a family member made, and I also have a dust mask that you use to like sand on cars or whatever. I've been wearing these a lot too. I've got a bunch of these from the shop, so I bring this too. We'll put those in there. My butt naked hand sanitizer from my friend Amy Hanna. This goes everywhere with me. It's usually in my red truck, but it's going in the toolkit because I'm using the other truck tonight. So that goes in here. Put it somewhere where it's not going to leak. Right there is good. I got these oversized wind socks for speeches and toasts. The microphone's going to go on a mic stand, and then these are going to be handed out to whoever's doing speeches and toasts. They can pop it on, do the toast, speech, whatever, pop it off, throw it away. So these are on the Ziploc bag ready to go. Those go on top because I'll be using those for sure. And of course, this is the bag that I put all my paperwork in that I use for the events that I do. That's music lists, that's timelines, all that stuff. And that will go right on top. The only other thing going in this bag that I haven't put in here is this camera. So I got to turn this video off and take care of that. So we'll see you at tonight's gig. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video of what my emergency toolkit looks like here in August of 2020. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.